I think when we started, it was more of just a streak. And then once our sister passed away this past year, it took on a whole new meaning of making sure each other is okay in every aspect of the word okay. It became just a lifeline.
Hi, we're the Crabtree family.
We're the Joiners.
And our snap streak is 2,000.
2,000.
2,000.
2,000.
3,426 days.
Proud of my kids. For me, Snapchat is my way of communicating how much I love them.
I love that morning connection of my daughter.
I wouldn't be the woman I am today without you.
You know, we've been through lots of things in our lives after we had our daughter. It was really hard for us to adjust.
I didn't have any words, I didn't have any power, I didn't have any strength.
And I was just having a day where everything was just going wrong, and you sent me a video of Hallie saying, "Night, night, daddy."
Give daddy a kiss.
And I was sitting in my office at work and I teared up.
Say I'm at 20%. He's like, I got you. Like, I'll lift you up either in the chat or just like a video.
I feel like it's those smaller moments, the most obscure events that you wouldn't necessarily think deserve a celebration.
Our dad falls asleep on the couch all the time, and that is one of our #1 things to Snapchat to each other is the different poses Dad falls asleep in.
Because I use all the silly lenses, because I'm willing to put myself in whatever character or dancing lion or whatever it may be, it's me. This is me, like it or not.
And they're not always great pictures. We said when the snaps aren't always our best look, but we make sure that we're connected, and I'm proud of that.
It is a diary, a journal, a keepsake. Like, it is so much more than just a daily picture. It's communication, it's love, it's connection, it's support.
We're not doing it to go back and forth with each other. It's so that we're communicating with each other.
So it's really nice to know that I can be authentic and transparent with you guys in that way through all of the struggles that we have.
Don't think this is silly. Don't think that this is meaningless. The fact that you're willing to step into this world and be a part of it and do it on a daily basis.
It just makes it so much easier for us to be us.
I also feel like 100% understood.
You're not so sure.
It doesn't actually ever feel like we're really apart, which is so important. Yeah.
And you just start. Just start. See where you go.